This presentation is about mapping Egyptian and US courses prepared by me. The purpose of the mapping exercise is to compare the contents of 18 courses in 5 Egyptian universities with contents of similar courses in 5 United States universities to choose the core courses for the new master program on sustainable water resources management developed by the Center of Excellence for Water project. The mapping steps can be summarized as follows. We produce an initial comparison table using titles and color coding. We select certain keywords extracted from the Egyptian courses titles, and then we do an initial mapping based on keywords and codes for the US courses. We improve the mapping exercise using course description instead of titles. We sort the courses according to frequency of repetition of keywords, and we choose the 5 core courses based on the mapping exercise and the sorting of the matching table using the pivot table in Excel. The initial mapping by colors was a simple one by comparing the titles of the 18 Egyptian courses to the left here with the corresponding available courses in 5 American universities: Cornell, Stanford, Oxford, Harvard, and California, Berkeley. But this sorting was not satisfactory. Why? Because the matching was not enough. We do an initial mapping using the keywords and course titles based on the previous exercise. We selected 18 keywords, and the number beside the keyword is the number of the Egyptian course in the list of 18 courses that I showed before. Not all the 18 courses are included here in the list. We did this exercise and we found only 5 matches. Why 5 only? Because we based the matching depending on the titles, not the description of the course. Here we looked at the US courses and we give them some codes. And these codes, as you can see, like for example, we have 8 courses at Berkeley, and the course name is beside the code we give to the course. This covers the 5 universities I mentioned before. Then we got the original colored coded course and the keywords, but we did another matching exercise, but we used the keywords and course description. We went to the course description of the American courses and we found more matches, like in this table here. The numbers inside the cell is the course code 3 at Cornell University, and thinking 2 means the keywords that we extracted from the second course in the 18 Egyptian course list. With this more elaborate matching exercise, we created a database. This database includes the keyword, the course number in Egyptian universities, and the course title, the course code of the American course of the American university, and the United States course title. Therefore, this column C has the title of the Egyptian course, and in column E we have the title of the United States course. Of course, the database is elaborate because it includes all the codes of the American universities and all the keywords extracted from the Egyptian course titles. We took this database and we processed the data using pivot table in Excel by putting the count of course codes, American course codes, for each course title, the 18 course titles of the Egyptian universities. And we get different frequency of occurrence depending on the keyword exercise that we did. From this, we were able to find a list and convert the list into a graph that shows that some courses have more frequency than others, and then we sorted this list with the corresponding graph to be able to find the most frequent 5 courses to use as core courses, and this is the result of the sorting exercise. And the 5 courses inside the red rectangle are the selected ones to be the core courses. To summarize what we have presented, the purpose of the exercise is to select 5 core courses by matching Egyptian course contents with similar contents in the United States. 5 universities on each side. A simple color-coded matching exercise using course titles produced an initial table, but the previous step was enhanced by matching keywords with course description and not titles, resulting in more matches. A database is extracted from the matching exercise, and the database was used by the pivot table in Excel to sort the list of most frequent courses. The top 5 courses are selected as the courses as seen in the previous slide.